Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add Shopify templates. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. After that, click on the online store button from the left menu bar. And after clicking on the online store button, click on the theme section. And now click on the customize button. After that, scroll down to the pages setting and select any page like contact us. A drop down will appear. Now select create new template. After that, name the template and click create template. It will automatically integrate with the page just like shipping. Now go back to dashboard and then click on the pages button from the left menu bar. And now click on the shipping button. After that, click on template theme. Now a drop down will appear in which you will see the second contact template. So that's how you will add Shopify templates. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.